Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to install Ollama and run the Qwen 2.57b model locally on Windows. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. Step 1. You need to download Ollama. To do that, you will need to go to ollama.com/download. Click the Download for Windows. Download the Windows installer and complete the installation process. Step 2 is to verify your installation. To do that, run cmd and type the command Ollama version, then run it. For my case, my installation is 0.30.6. Next step is to download Qwen 2.57b. To do that, run the command Ollama pull Qwen 2.57b. For my case, I have already installed this language model, so I will be skipping this step. Next is to verify your model. To do that, run the command Ollama list. As you can see, our model is displayed. Next is to start chatting with the model. To do that, run the command Ollama run Qwen 2.57b. Let us wait for the model to load. Let us try the prompt. Explain what a large language model is. Here, it generated the completion. A large language model, LLM, refers to a type of artificial intelligence that has been trained on extensive text corpora to understand and generate human-like language. So, as you can see, it is generating a long completion. To end this, press Ctrl+C. And to end the session, type /by. Or you can simply press Ctrl+D. That's it. You have successfully installed Ollama and Qwen 2.57b on Windows and can now run an AI model locally on your machine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.